So today traded a number of tickers. I did way better than I did yesterday. So let's see. It's probably easier to look at the 5-minute chart, cleaner looking. So so here I took crowd on a reversal. I saw a couple of wicks here thinking it would reverse. Took it on the long side. I actually added to it and then it dropped on me. So I stopped out because it broke through these levels. So I took a pretty big loss here. And then I saw that it was holding this level. So I went back in, smaller size this time. It popped up. I regret not taking partials. It's always a bad habit of mine. I need to work on that, is not taking partials. Take any partials on the way down. I didn't want to, give back any potential profit I had. So I pretty much got out at break even. Held this level, went back up, took it on the long side. Again, I didn't take any partials. On the way down, I got out at break even again. So that was pretty much it on my crowd fiasco. It didn't go well. And then on AFRM, this is kind of a wash. I took this on a short side thinking it will break down. It didn't do that until much later. So it looked like it was going to break back up. And because the stock was down, the whole day pretty much, I was afraid it would run up on me. So I stopped out this small loss. It did break down, came back up, so I took it on the long side again. It broke down, didn't really break this level, so I was kind of watching this. And then when it popped back up, it kind of got stuck here for a while, and so I just got all out. I didn't want to mess with it anymore. So I kind of made back my money. It was at a very small loss with that. JD, again, I went in long for a reversal. This was holding this level, didn't really do anything for quite a long time, so I just got out. I got impatient, got out at break even. Eventually, it did make the move I wanted to make, a huge pop up, but I missed it, so timing was bad. Spot, I did okay on spot. Spot was holding this level here. I was watching it, and so on forming a new 5-minute high, pretty much, I took it for the long side. It popped up. I missed, this run up here, pretty much this huge run up. I just got part of it up to here because it was holding this level. It was consolidating around here, and I just sold it right at the breakout, unfortunately. But it is what it is. Now it's dropping back down. So that was my trade on spot. And then Zoom, I did okay on Zoom. Again, I also missed out a big run on Zoom. I always leave money on the table, but it is what it is. Stock was short, maybe because of my experience today with all the stocks that are pretty weak. So here, I took it on the long side. It was holding this level. So I felt pretty good about it. And the reason for that is because if we look on the 15-minute, it's sitting right on this level. And then same thing with the 5-minute here. You see there's like a daily level here that I was sitting on. So, if it loses that, I would have stopped out. But I took a small size. It did pop up. This is actually really good, even though it was a small size. This is a few point move. So I got out. This was coming down. So I didn't really feel confident about it. There's two SMAs. In retrospect, I should have held it a bit until 211. I probably would have missed this run because of the consolidation here. I usually get out whenever it consolidates, and since I didn't have a big size on this, I would have, gotten out. But that was it. That was Zoom, so that was a good play. Autodesk was another good play of mine. It held this level. It sits right above this level of support, daily level here. Looking at the 5-minute, it had a couple of indecision candlesticks, and there is this one wick here, but I didn't feel really nervous about it or whatnot. So I just saw the pullback as an opportunity to enter. So I entered on the pop. I got out. So again, this is an example of where getting out is good versus leaving money on the table. You never know, right? So for this one, if I didn't get out, I would have left money on the table. I got out. Just because, again, I took a small size, but this is a pretty good run. This is 253.31 all the way up to 255 pretty much, 255.16. That's like two points almost. So, again, I don't really regret the moves that I made, even if you leave money on the table. It's better to leave too early than to leave too late. So, anyway, That's it for my day. I'm gonna call it a day. Not gonna do any more trades. It's kind of a choppy day. Yesterday was choppy too, so hopefully there'll be some good runners tomorrow for us to play. Anyway, all right, peace out.